squishy refill. My sister refill the Zoe squishy one. Cause I put in a paper and my sister said it's not squishy. So first one is
It's
Romy.
good enough or not? It's good enough.
Next one is Zoe. But hear this.
Wait, tapos mo na.
Silence! Silence!
So guys,
So this is the tissue.
tapos mo na yan.
And this is like a blind bag one.
My sister is turned into squishy.
Yeah. Hey.
And I have a new!
What did you do? It's kinda squishy and I love it.
I'm gonna make
And we have this Skittle one. This is so squishy and I love it. What are you gonna do?
Oh no. Bro!
This is like our kiss one, but it's kind of broken. So, look, it's broken, bro.
Sorry, bro.
Sorry,
bro.
What did you do? Where is it? Asan na?
Sorry, bro. I have circle in this.
Let's throw
Look,
it.
bro!
Tapon natin to sa trash. Tapon na natin to, no?
Wag.
Sira-sira na. Let's put it at the trash. Next one is like this thing when you're
Natuyo na.
like
Ilagay ko ito sa may ko.
happy, you're gonna put it like this.
Okay,
Is
lagay
the-
ko.
You're gonna put this and this is the angry one. Just whatever.
What?
I still love it. Agyari yan. Lagay mo ko dito.
Ubus na?
Meron pa. So this is like, I hate this.
gagawa? Paano tayo gagawa?
This is like so boring.
Paano tayo gagawa nito ng blind bag?
Kaya yan. This only boring one and also kinda I love it. And the last one is this thing. My sister loved this one even it's small. Yeah, it still makes a popping sound. What did you do? We're gonna put it inside this.
Yes.
We're gonna fix. So we're gonna find a box for it. Stop